Hi everyone, welcome to our channel App Only. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to delete the Kindle account on your device. For that, you need to head over to the Kindle application first. Once you reach on the home page of the Kindle application, on the bottom right hand, you will be able to see the More button. Tap on More. Now, on this expanded menu, you need to tap on the Settings. When you scroll down, you'll be able to see the Close Your Amazon Account option. Simply tap on Close Your Amazon Account and delete all Kindle data. To delete your Kindle account, you need to delete your Amazon account too. So, this will close your Amazon account and delete all the Kindle data. Tap on Learn More and Continue. That is shown on the bottom of the screen. So you need to read this carefully, that is shown in this page. So it says that if you proceed with this request, you will not be able to access the products and services associated with your closed account. So scroll down until you reach to the bottom of the screen. Then you need to select the main reason for closing your Amazon account. It's optional, so tap on Choose Region, and on this drop down box you need to choose any option that you want to provide as a reason. Now you need to tap on Yes, I want to permanently close my Amazon account and delete my data. Now tap on Close my account button. So the confirmation is required. Here it says that protecting your privacy and the security of your data is the top priority for Amazon. You will receive a confirmation link via email or text message to verify your request. Make sure you have opened the same Gmail that is associated with the Amazon account. So here I have already received the confirmation mail from Amazon Kindle. So you need to tap on that inbox mail, and now you need to scroll down and now tap on Confirm Account Closure, that is highlighted on yellow in color. So here you need to first sign in on your Amazon account, and this way you can easily delete your Kindle account on your device. I hope this video was useful for you. If this video was useful, then hit the like button, subscribe our channel and press the notification bell to never miss an upcoming uploads on our channel. Thank you.